It's really easy to use RapidTextAI. First, click Start AI. On the left-hand side is the Configuration tab. In the middle is the Conversation tab, with all your generated content. Then click Prompt to display library of the tools that you can use to generate prompts. Then from the Configuration tab, enter topic, keywords, industry, highlights. Use the Upload File feature to upload your longer text files. Select primary and secondary language if you want to translate a copy. Configure the temperate from 0 to 1. It is best to keep it to 0.7. Select tone in which you want to AI to generate text. Utilize the text area to write longer texts. Now once we are done with configurations, now we can use the tools library to help use quickly generate prompts. Click Try It. This will place the prompt in our input field. Review your prompt and hit Send. This will generate a content, which can copy using the clipboard button. Let's try another tool called Add Copy. As you can see, it has quickly generated a prompt without the need of any reconfigurations. You can now utilize these tools to quickly generate any copy that you want with just 2 clicks. And if you want to change the topic, you can easily hit Configure and change as you like. Thank you for watching.